Hi guys, it's Alex and welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing super well. Today's video I'm going to be doing a blue and red alternate kind of looking something. That's as good as the name I can get. But if you want to see what I actually mean, keep watching and find out. So first off, I'm going to go in with some primer, and today I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter. So I'm just going to pop a little bit all over my face. Wonderful, so that's all in now, and I'm going to go in with my foundation. So today I'm using MAC Studio Fix Fluid. So the only annoying thing with this is that there's no pump, so I'm always so scared that I'm going to make a mess like everywhere, which could easily happen. So I try and just use my brush and get out little bits in it, just like that, if that makes sense. Like I just dip it in, see what I can get, because otherwise I'm worried I'm gonna make a mess. And I like to just go over with a bit of a sponge just to put everything in a little bit more, less strokey. Wonderful, so foundation's all on, but I'm just gonna set it slash put more color, I suppose, on. But I'm going to go over with my Nude by Nature Pressed Mineral cover. Just, yeah, make it more cakey, I guess. And also, actually, I find with powder, it's easier to blend down your neck and just make everything look the same, which is what, you know, it's a nice thing to have. So now that my foundation's all done, I'm gonna go in and do my brows. I will do them off camera though, so it's a bit quicker, but I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown, so I'll see you when I'm back. So there's my brows on, and now I'm going to bring you guys a little bit closer so then we can do the eye makeup. So here we are a little bit closer. Now the main palettes that I'm actually going to be going into today, at least at this stage until I maybe change my mind, is Blood Sugar and Blue Blood. So red and blue, which is what I wanted to do. So fancy that. So I'm first going to go in with Blood Sugar, and I'm going to go in first with this really red colour here, Prick. There we go. Yeah, Prick. So I'm going to go in with that on sort of in this weird, in this outer portion of my eye. Now I'm not going to be too fast if I make it a bit messy and it goes more onto my lid, because I'm going to be trying to more so like cut the crease anyway, so it's not a big deal. So I'm just getting out my little fluffy brush and going it down. So that's what we're working with right now. I am going to drag that colour also underneath my eyes a little bit, just to about, like here, I guess. Just sort of most of the way across. So I'm just using the same little brush here. So this is what we're working with now. I am going to darken up the red a little bit on top. So I'm just going to go in with this colour that's next to the one I was just using, Cherry Soda, just a bit of a darker red, make it a little bit more intense. Now I must say the lines at the top are looking a little bit too harsh at the moment, so I'm just going to go in with a clean fluffy brush and just blend some more. So this is what we're currently working with. Now I'm going to take some, not concealer because I don't have any. If you have any actual good concealer recommendations, please let me know, because I don't know where to start. But I'm going to take some of this Urban Decay All Nighter foundation just because it's a bit too light for me anyway, so I'm just going to use it. So I'm just squirting a little bit on my hand and then taking my concealer brush, then coming up close and just sort of carving out that lid middle bit. So I'm also just gonna, with a little bit of leftover stuff, put some of this foundation on the inner corner of my eye, just because I am gonna go over it with a bit more of a bright color to do inner corner highlight, and I'm hoping that this will make it stand out a lot more than usual. So this is what we got for now. It looks a bit weird, but she'll all turn out fine. So now I'm going to go in with my blue blood palette, and I'm going to use this blue, obviously blue shade, this one here, Deceased, which is, yeah, sort of a darker blue colour. And I'm going to do that on about 3/4 of my eyelid. Now, for that last little section that we've left, I want to try and go in with this sort of glittery shade here, which is called Crystal Flesh from the Blue Blood palette. So I'm just getting on my brush and I'm just going to dab it on there, like so. Oh wow, that looks cool. I don't know if you can see how good it looks in camera. I'm also in the line bit, sort of just blending the two together. Just a bit of dabs. And I'll also put this colour just on the inner corners as well. Just more of that highlight. And drag it underneath a little as well. So this is what we're looking at right now. Not too bad, but I think what I am going to do, even though I just cut the crease, I'm going to sort of blend the red onto the eyelid just a little bit. Not much, but just a bit. So I'm going to go in with the two red shades again, and just on top. Just darken it all up a little bit more, just so it's like a bit softer line rather than it being so harsh. So I'm just going to go back and forth with those colours just until I have something that I'm pretty happy with. So I'm pretty happy with what I got. So now I'm going to go ahead and put on some eyeliner, and I'm using the Stila Stay All Day waterproof liquid eyeliner. So I've done my wings. They're not perfect, but I really need to get a new eyeliner, and it's getting really hard to do okay wings. So I'm actually kind of happy with how it turned out. What I think I will do now, just something a little bit different. On my waterline, I'm going to go in with a bit of white eyeliner pencils. I'm using the Maybelline Big Eyes liner, the black and a white one. So I'm just going to use this on a little bit of my waterline and see how I like it. Yay! So I really like doing that because now my eyes look a little bit wider, a bit more open, which is good. So next I'm going to go in with some mascara. So today I'm using Benefit's Bad Girl Bang. mascaras on because I put my foundation-y concealer stuff too much on my eyelashes. They look a bit more clumpy than usual, but that doesn't matter. That's fine by me. So obviously you can easily stop right here with the eyes, but I am going to be a little bit more dramatic today and pop on some false eyelashes. So I think I'm going to use these ones, which I just got these off eBay on a big pack because also tempted to use these ones, but these ones might be a little bit too wild. So I think I'm going to go with these ones. So eyelashes are on, and yeah, they're not too bad for like cheap ones, so I'm pretty happy with them. Can't complain. So what I'm going to do next though, I'm going to do really light contour, and then I'm going to do some blush as well. So I'm just going in with my Revolution, wow, they're like names all coming off, Revolution Ultra Contour Palette. So I'm going to just do light contour on my cheekbones, temples, nose and chin. So last on my face, I'm going to go in with some blush. I'm just using the BYS blush that I have, which smells really good. So just popping it all on my cheeks. I'm just going to put the tiniest bit on my nose. Just really little. Then I'm going to go in with some highlighter. So I'm just using my, well that was loud, my NYX Strobe of Genius palette. Now I feel like me and then you start looking at yourself and think, I'm not sure about this. I just go in with whatever's left over on my powder brush and just sort of dab it on top just to mute it a little bit. So that's most of the makeup done, so all that is left is some lipstick, which I want to go all out and make this even more bright and in your face, and go in with red. So I'm using Jeffree Star's Wifey. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and put that on. So there you have it. This is the finished look. It's the red and blue alternate glam looking something rather. Yeah. But I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please do not hesitate to leave a comment down below or like this video, and you know, while you're there, may as well click subscribe if you want to see more of my face. But I guess until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.